Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And right now I'm sitting inside a brand new 2026 Honda CRV Hybrid Sport Touring. This video will show you guys how to change one setting within the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As you know, it's going to be a wireless connection, so once you have it all set up, you may have this one little quick question is, Chris, how do I change between my day and nighttime theme on my maps? Well, it's quick and easy. So as you can see right now, we're in daytime theme. You can see during nighttime, it changes the whole look from that point, but you don't like the look, okay? So all you have to do is simply get to this menu, select settings, scroll down to day, nighttime mode for maps, select. Now you have an option, it does it automatically. So between day and nighttime, it adjusts accordingly, or you can have it all the time on day or nighttime theme. So let us know down below in the comments, which one are you guys going to pick? And let me know if this video was helpful. If so, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend or maybe a customer that just bought the vehicle. All right, talk to you guys later.